Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into Samsung's latest budget-friendly tablet, the Galaxy Tab A9 model SM-X110. Let's see if it's worth your money. Stick around till the end for my final verdict. So let's unbox the tab. Let me open it right now. Where do I find okay, yeah, let me open it. Chalo, let's click and open. So here comes our Samsung Tab A9. Wow, the packaging is really good. So what you find is one tab, and inside it we have a USB cable and a manual, a start guide and a ejection pin. That's it. So that's what you get it in the cover. So let me open the tab. Where do I open? Yeah, here you go. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, here comes the tab. So first, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy Tab A9 sports a sleek and lightweight build, perfect for one-handed use. It's made of sturdy plastic with a premium matte finish that resists the fingerprints. So let's start with the tab. Let's sign it up. Setting it up manually. So whatever the options you're getting, so just read and select it. You can log in with your Wi-Fi or any mobile network. Connect it with the Wi-Fi. Okay, let me turn it on. Yes, it's connected. Getting your tablet ready. Wow. Chalo, let's see how it goes. So it's made up of sturdy plastic with a premium matte finish that resists the fingerprints. Okay, you're all set up here. Click on finish. That's it. So the tablet is ready. It's getting set it up. So this is just 8.6 mm thick and weighing around 333 grams. That's more than 250 grams. That's it. You can say approximately around 300 grams. It's easy to carry around if you see. So if you check on the display, the Tab A9 features an 8.7-inch TFT LCD screen with a resolution of 1340 into 800 pixels. It's not AMOLED, but the colors are vibrant and crisp for the price. Whether you're streaming videos or reading ebooks, it gets the job done. Plus, the dual stereo speakers with the Dolby Atoms make the sound experience surprisingly immersive. So now let's discuss about the performance. The Tab A9 is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, which is expandable. So it's snappy for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, or even light gaming. So this tablet runs on One UI Core 5.1 based on Android 13. It's user friendly and comes with essential Samsung features like Kids Mode and Samsung Notes. If you talk about the battery life, it's a big win actually to say. So it has got around 5100 mAh battery, which easily lasts up to full day under a moderate use. And it supports 15 volt of fast charging. However, you'll need to buy the fast charger separately since only a standard USB cable is provided included in the box. So when you talk about the camera, it's just a basic 8MP rear camera and 2MP front camera. So these are very fine for the video calls and some occasional snaps.